Yo, morning guys. Took an early morning setup and I got stopped out once and then I'm re-entered in at this point and might get stopped out again. We'll be fine with that if we do. But good morning to y'all, to my team, to my family, to my Matrix trading family, y'all. Oh my gosh, that just happened. Okay guys, well, I think I'm done for the day. Unfortunately, I'm gonna lock myself out of these all day and lock in the dub on those accounts. And then I also already traded these combines, which they both hit $1,500. So I'm done. I'm actually done. So yesterday we finished green after being down $900. I took a few more trades to catch up, and thank God, and I mean that, not saying his name in vain, thank God, like he helped me get myself through to green. And today I got stopped out once and then re-entered in. So I'm chilling. I had my stops at this 5-minute demand, and we're green. I mean, that was a crazy move. It's probably still valid to go short, but don't plan on pushing it too much. So super thankful for that crazy move. We do have news today. So I see you found my secret sector. What are you talking about, Will? What are you talking about? Will's always up to something. It's looking amazing, see? Yes. Thanks, Eric. Yes. So far, that was great. I mean, I still think it's a valid setup, but at this point, it tapped us out already, so didn't even mean to, but it tapped us out, and we're out. Morning, bro. GG. I won't be trading today. Have to head out early here. Glad you finished the week green. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it, and drive safe out there, and hopefully you get that job done. I don't know if you're supposed to do that yesterday or is that today. That lady painting job or whatever the case is, but we still have one more account to trade, that if we want to trade, and it's this express account that I kind of trade by itself. I don't really copy trade it, just, you never know. And this week we're up 4,000 on this account, so I'll take it slow and not push it. Papa Bear, what's up, bro? What's up? I was gonna post a trade in Discord, but I decided not to. I didn't want to push it too hard. You are the only one that can see it in someone like my sketches. Oh, my bad. That's what you're talking about. Yeah, dude, you're actually really good, bro. You're really good at sketching, dude. I might have you sketch something for me, bro. Of course, I'll pay you for it. So, would love to pay you for some sketches. Do me a favor, guys. Tap the like button for me, just to get the algorithm going. And I'm gonna grab myself some breakfast because they just opened the doors. I'm gonna come back and we'll do some market analysis, just kind of like see where things are. Yesterday was a crazy sell-off. we actually broke lower on the 1 hour, but that was like later in the day. But this short looks good. I mean, maybe I'll re-enter in on this Express account. We have news today, don't we? I remember. Oh, let me check. 8 a.m. I think that's 8 a.m. my time. So we should be good. I'm just gonna let it sit then. Maybe I'll wait. I'll wait for some more conferences. Get your charts ready. Get your coffee. I got my coffee. It's the last day here at the hotel. Be heading home, so I'll be back at the office on Monday. Let's have a good day with this final account. I'll be right back. Wait, you guys want a little like lip balm? Here, you guys can come. Oh wait, no, I have to keep my whole laptop. No, that's weird. I'm not gonna take my laptop over there. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna do that. Dang, the short's still looking good. No view for you. I didn't want to take my laptop, bro. Take my laptop and like a few people getting breakfast right now. Okay, the short looks good.
Order filled.
I'm gonna scalp it. See if we can get a quick scalp. Don't like the hesitation. Come on. Come on. Nope.
Order filled.
That's hesitating. That's how I scalp. You need to set your phone with camo and get a mic that attaches to your shirt for when you're not at the office. Then you can take us with you. All right, I will do that. Stink, stank, stunk. Okay. If you say so, bro. Stink, stank, stunk. What do I look for on the 1 minute? I'm looking just kind of like entry area, sniper,
Order filled.
but I'm just scalping right now. I'm not going too hard. Give this thing one more shot. Where's my trading view? Here it is. So we're on this 5 minute candle. Would like to see it flush. We grabbed the 13 EMA, but it's still not in the clear. Can you check gold about it? Yeah. Let me just see what happens here. See if I get stopped out. And then I'll jump over. I wish I could move these letters in the background. It's like in the way. It's not giving up, huh? So we're still trading the same trade idea. We're just getting in like later and trying to scalp it. As far as the higher time frame 5 minute trade, we're originally the first trade we entered in here, and we're just trying to see if we can hold it, but it doesn't look like we will. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out.
Order
which
filled.
Totally fine. 359 bucks. I'm used to losing. All right, let's go look at gold. Yes, I'll do gold and then explain the 13 EMA. So if we look at gold, we were shorting this bottom, and yesterday we got stopped out at break even, so I was down 900 bucks after trying to go long. Gold came back and tapped the 1 hour supply perfectly. Look at this beautiful tap in this 1 hour supply, and then dumped even further. For the bull case scenario, we tapped into this 1 hour demand and we went long, which is perfectly fine. And we zoomed down. Now we're looking at the current price action. Excuse me. And we just want to look at what's happening now. Buyers are aggressively buying here. So any sort of pullback, I would look for long. Maybe in this 1 hour demand on the 1 hour. And then since we're in the 1 hour supply, we can technically look for shorts here. And then there's this 1 hour supply right up here, which seems high probability for shorts. I don't know if we're going to get there today. My short playing out now, he said. Oh my gosh. I'm dead, bro. That's what happens when you scalp. That's what happens when you scalp. You get stopped out by literally a tick, and that's scalping. So totally fine with that. We'll revisit the account. That's gold. That's my analysis on gold. If we have a break of structure on gold here, I definitely would like shorts. I would like to look for shorts in this supply. So I'm going to set an alert here, and we'll go from there. Can you explain the 13 EMA? Yeah, I mean, EMAs in general are just, they're called exponential moving averages. And the lower the number that you have, so if let's say a 9 EMA is a very popular EMA to use. If you have a 9 EMA, a lot of people use that because price tends to like, the line gets really tight. And do I know exactly how it works? I don't. But the 13 EMA, it's a moving average. It's to help guide you on where price is going. It's a lagging indicator, and it's never something that you want to trust in the moment, but it does give you areas of interest as far, it does add a bit of confidence in areas of interest where you want to go long or short. So I've been using specifically the 13 EMA. I used to use the 9, but it was too tight. "13 gives enough room to know that a switch is about to happen. So, for instance, see this price action on MNQ? It ran, stayed above 13 EMA perfectly, right? This first 5-minute candle grabbed the 13 EMA, and there are people who take setups like this. Any candle that grabs a 13 EMA, they short, and essentially it would have played out. You know, you'd have to hold through all this. But the 13 EMA just keeps me in a trade or gets me out of a trade. So hopefully that answers your question, Eric. Bro, I'm loopy, freaking 1 hour of sleep. The last 2 days I'm dead. Bro, what in the world are you doing? Why are you staying up all day and all night? Mr. MacD's, yes, the shorts did play out. I ended my week red, lost 1,000 this week. It happens, bro, it happens. Next week will be better, 100%. New week next week. Markets will be there for us. I'm ending green on a paper account. Nice job, Will. No, I'm still at the hotel, bro. I'll be back next week on Monday. Maybe I can set it up on my phone to vertical stream. Or maybe I can set up my laptop to vertical stream next time. But we're here. That's correct, sir. Eric, you'd want a full body candle close on a 13 EMA. But again, it's not something you want to look into too hard because it can get you confused. For instance, here. Well, this is after the fact. The EMA moves as price moves, so you don't really know. Even reversing, it's hard to tell where exactly it was at current price action. But you want a nice candle close. Like right now, if we want to go long on this strategy of just going long on a 13 EMA, you'd want this candle to close on that 13 EMA. Now, with it being a 1 minute, it's not as powerful to use as for longer moves. That's why I stick to the 5 minute. So essentially, if we wanted to short here on MNQ, the reason why is we're in a 5 minute supply, and then there's also this 13 EMA, which is right here. So it would be a good area to short because we'd want to stay below this 13 EMA, and that's why I would enter in. If I was going long, it would be vice versa, right? If I was going long and price is coming back down, if that 13 EMA is there, it would give me confidence to go long because I would want to see price come back and test it, hold, and then go long. So that's how I use the 13 EMA. The 200 EMA is a good way of just knowing where price is going. If the 200 EMA is flat and just kind of going straight, then you don't really want to be a part of anything because it's kind of like messy. If the 13 EMA is going straight up, then you know that there's a lot of buying. But you also know that there's a good chance that price wants to, you know, go back to equilibrium or just kind of find a balance point and sell off to the 200. So sometimes I use the 200 EMA as a take profit area. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this short.
Order filled.
I went in half my size. And then I will look to add in if it rejects. Try to catch this bottom, or try to catch the break of this bottom.
Order filled.
Really want to see it break this low. Life, bro, I got some crazy ish going on in my life right now. Not trying to drag down the chat with some negativity, but yeah, shoot, bro, all good. It's not negative. You're just, you know, going through it. We've all been through it, bro. And I'll be, you know, keeping you in my thoughts and prayers, and hope things make a shift, you know. But hang tight, bro. Not easy, going through some things, and I believe in God and believe in Jesus, and I hope that God helps you and gets you through whatever you're going through right now, bro. Because He has helped me a lot. Come on and just flush for us, bro. Can you flush for us, brother? Last 2 days green. Let's make it make today a green day too. Bro, we're still, I mean, I have the other accounts where green. I already locked myself out. So we're locked out, bro. This one's my last account that I don't copy trade. Might add into this puppy and lower my stops.
Order filled.
Come on and flush, bro. Come on and flush. No problem, bro. No problem. I really hope things turn around. Bro, I know what you mean. To prevent overtrading, that's why I did it. As far as I know, TopStep has this. It's just built in with Project X. But Tradeovate has its own lockout features too. You just have to set it up. Dylan showed me. When Dylan's in the Discord, if he trades later today, feel free to ask him. He's a whiz at Tradeovate, and he can help you do that lockout feature. I'm hoping there's just not one last crazy wick that wants to come up and stop me out. Keep going left. We have 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle, so we really want to see this 5-minute candle close below the 13 EMA. What's going on, bro? I'm new to your channel. I'm trading a funded now with alpha. I'm trying to see what kind of strategy you trade. Do you have multiple confluences, and what are you looking for? I do use multiple confluences, mainly just 3, and I trade supply and demand. And I only look at the 1 hour and the 5 minute and the 1 minute for like managing the trade. I'm in a trade right now, but if I can find some space here, I'll go over my setup again. Awesome, thanks. Yeah, I use Trade8. Yeah, join the Discord. It's in the description below. It's completely free. Dylan usually jumps into the Discord and goes on live chat or live video, whatever it's called, and just say, hey, Shaq mentioned that you know a lot about Trade8, and he'll walk you through it. We're a small community still. There's only a few hundred people. Sometimes we're playing video games. Will and them were playing video games yesterday. Sometimes we're just hanging out, talking about life. So jump in there, ask Dylan, and he'll take care of you. Also, what are you looking for at New York Open? I don't necessarily look for anything. I know that sounds like I'm trying to be a sensei or something, but I genuinely don't think like, okay, I'm looking for this to happen at this when market opens. I'm looking for this to happen because I don't know what's going to happen. You know, I just kind of let price develop, and then if something does occur at an area of interest, then I'll take action, right? No. It's really trying to hold this 13 EMA. And if we stay below the 13 EMA on the 5 minute, we should be good to continue short. But I don't know. We never know. I heard Trade8 got a lockout future in the works. Oh, okay. Okay, gotcha. Sounds good. I'll be tuning in today. What's your live schedule look like? I try to go live every single day, 6:30 p.m. MST. Some days I have to leave early for my business. I'm not a full-time trader. Sometimes I come on early to do it, but I try to go live every day, essentially. On the Discord, you'll have a more like up-to-date of what I'm doing because that's where I post. So if you want to join the Discord, it's completely free. Please do so. All right, so we broke that swing low where I keep going right. We have 30 seconds left on this 5 minute EMA or 5 minute candle. If we close below it, we should be good, looking better to go short. Cool, man. Nice to meet you. I'll join. Boogie, thanks so much. And nice to meet you too, sir. All right, we closed. Not the strongest 5 minute candle. Gotta lower my stops a little bit more. I want to go above this candle, but price might come up and try to stop people out over that 5 minute candle. So I'm going to hold here. The Lucid's accounts blew up to, I still have 1,500. After blowing up the TopStep accounts, the funded ones, I want to get 2 funded back. So that's why I have this combine, I got 1,500 today. This combine, I have 1,500 today. And then I have the 3 Express accounts I'm still going to be working on. I know that TopStep pays, so I would just want to keep 5 in rotation. You know, I'll get back to Lucid, you know, once I get past these Express accounts. So yeah. Okay, we're really trying to push. It doesn't look like we're gonna get it. We're getting buyers stepping up. We're holding this 5-minute demand down here really well. I was looking for longs down here. I think that there will be buyers down here, but we might not get that opportunity. So looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Also, another thing, Eric, if you're still listening, these EMAs, whenever an EMA crosses, when the 13 crosses the 200, whether it's long or short, there tends to be a strong move. So here, the 13 EMA was trying to cross it, pretended to cross, and then it didn't, and then we went higher. Right now, we're caught in this chop where it's trying to cross again, but buyers aren't letting it. So we'll see what happens. If it does cross, then we can get a move short. You're gonna stop us out. You're gonna do us dirty and cute. Just gonna give it just a little hair more. Just a hair more, just in case. But it's not looking good for us.
Order filled.
GG's, everybody. I'm gonna wait for market open. There isn't a supply up here that looks clear to me, so I'm just gonna let it be. Trying not to look at gold anymore because TopStep limited us to only 2 contracts, 2 micros on gold. How lame is that? So now I can only trade 2 micros on gold. Gold bounce testing previous low. Got it, yep. For right now, that's actually this here would be the next swing low. So if we get a 5-minute candle to close below this, then you may be looking at shorts here. I don't like it too much. No, equal closed, equal low bottom. So not something I would take. Pretty sketchy. How much lag delay is there on the live? From what I can tell, it's like a 10-second delay. Bro, no way, NQ. No way. No way, NQ. Don't you dare come back down. There's a jacuzzi out here, bro. I was in there last night. I was just chilling. I was like, I hit one of these. Trying to live my best life, bro. Trying to live my best life. Dang it, bro.
Order filled.
I'm giving this thing one last shot, bro. That's too much risk.
Order filled.
Trying to go for this swing low. See if we get it. That's why scalping the 1 minute is so hard, bro. Could we run down to this 5 minute demand? There's a possibility. So I'm just gonna see. When we break this swing, if we break this swing low, I'm gonna move to break even. Come on, NQ, don't do us dirty, bro. Come on, just give it up, man. Give it up. Come on, give it up. You know you want to drop, you know we want to give up. Just give it up. Come on, man. Come on, give it up, bro. Come on, NQ, take a break. Come on. Take a nap. Go to sleep. Come on, you know you want to. You know you wanna just sell off. Right into the swing low. Come on, bro. That guy's dressed up nicely. Looking spiffy. Good thing my name isn't NQ or I would. Bro, you need to get off now and just go to sleep, bro. Oh, man. Found you on the TPT video. You still trading with them? If so, copy trading. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, I forgot about those videos. I don't trade TPT anymore. I just didn't like the trailing drawdown when you're funded until you get to the buffer. That was pretty annoying. So I kind of stopped trading with them. Still a great firm. I had a few payouts with them. But yeah. Bro, really? I said go to bed. I'm sorry I'm saying that increased the odds here for you trying to sleep. Dang it, bro. I'm going to break even because I can't. 191 bucks. I'm at down 500. NQ really don't want to. NQ. I am mad at you. See these EMAs? They're really trying to go short. That emoji's funny. These EMAs are really trying to cross. 13's really trying to cross, but it's struggling to do so. At some point, I think it will. I just don't think it's going to happen right now, especially with market open. I'm at break even, guys. I gotta go to break even, wait till market open. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Oh, come on. Don't do it. Come on. Come on. Break this swing low. Come on. Break this slow. No, it didn't happen. We're for sure going to get stopped out now. This 13 EMA really wants to go. You can tell, but we're going to get stopped out.
Order filled.
All right. Got stopped out at break even. Now I'm just going to wait. See all these buyers? Why not just take profit and wait? Because I'd be more frustrated if I took profit and then it kept going lower. I'm much more calm letting it be at break even or getting stopped out than to emotionally close a trade. See these 5-minute candles that are just kind of like indecision, and then we have all these wicks. Yes, there's a lot of buyers that are coming in here, but the moment that there's not enough, it's going to be a strong sell-off, in my opinion. So there's probably some sort of trend line that you can watch. There you go. Does it stretch over here? It does. Take a look at gold here. Nice, gold is still looking to go lower. If it grabs this 13 EMA, then I can see us breaking these swing lows. Potentially look at shorts if it breaks that low. Gotcha, that's my problem. I get a couple hundred in profit and close out because I don't want it to come back and stops me out most of the time. Yeah, you know what, dude? I used to be the same way. My face is bleeding. Let me grab a microphone. A microphone. My face is bleeding. Let me grab a microphone. What the heck am I thinking? I used to think the same way, and it did work for a little bit, but when things would run afterwards, I would overtrade because I'd be too emotional. Like, could have made so much more, right? So you have to kind of pick and choose your battles. That's why yesterday's trade, where I was up $1,600, and I just let it breathe, and I tried giving it more room to keep going lower, because yesterday, the day before, that thing just melted lower, right? I was very proud of myself to let it come to break even yesterday, because there could have been way more potential short. Obviously there wasn't because I got stopped out, but I want to catch those bigger moves. I'd rather catch the bigger moves than the small amount of profit. I'm trying to learn that. Bro, is it really gonna drop right now, bro? This is super risky, y'all. Don't be me. Market's about to open. I want to see if this candle flushes. "29 seconds left on this candle. Seconds left. 13 seconds left. And it didn't flush. So I'm taking it out. Dang it, bro. Give me a minute, guys. I'm gonna go find a napkin. I grabbed some OJ. You know, oh, you freaking frick.
Order filled.
market's about to open. Whoa. I'm going to break even. Putting my stops here.
Order filled.
I'm closing the trade. We're at my take profit. Probably lost a little bit because I didn't close right at there. But it can continue lower, but market's about to open and I don't want to be caught in anything crazy. So it's tapping in demand. Yes, 5-minute demand. We're in it right now. There's this 5-minute demand where I think buyers would want to step in at market open. Thing is, it's just not in a 1-hour demand, which doesn't make it a super strong area. But I think there's a good chance that it wants to come down there. But let's see. Wait till market opens. All right, gold made the break. Gold made the break. So that being said, we can take shorts on gold in this 5-minute supply. I like this play on gold, so I'm going to set my alerts here. 10 seconds, guys, 10 seconds. Stay tight, manage your risk. Boom. Oof, we would have been stopped out. Oh no, we would, oh yeah, we would have been stopped out at break even. All right, so just gonna wait on gold. Here's NQ. Dude, the people that went long in that demand on NQ, banking. I was gonna look to go long, but nah. See if we get filled. Might not.
Order filled. Wait, let me read that email right. I don't want to break the rules, so they might try to blow me up if I try to add in
came down pretty nasty. Sucks to see you're in there. And it looks like gold is gonna continue higher.
Order filled.
All right, we stopped out on that. Okie dokie. All right, if this 5-minute candle closes long, I would look for buys right here. So let's see what happens on NQ. And then same for gold. If we close above, I would look for longs right here. We're just trading what's in front of us, guys. We have an idea, take a shot, fits in within our parameters, and if we're wrong, we're wrong. And then we just let price do its thing, see what happens again, and do it all over again. Now, will it come back down here? I don't know. If it does, I'm in long. Same with gold. Will gold come back down here? I don't know. If it does, I'm in long. And Eric, from what I was telling you earlier, see a 13 EMA is here. So it's price usually wants to come back and retest an EMA. The 13 before wants to make the next leg higher. Jacket's in the car. Okie dokie, don't look like we're gonna get it. Excuse him. So if you see Eric, it tested a 13 EMA and then ran. Okay. So at this point, there isn't much that we should be doing but waiting. You can betcha that I'll be shorting this supply. 100,000%. I'm going to short this supply zone. If we get there. And same with NQ. I will be shorting this supply zone. Anything intraday will be looking for longs. I'm looking at a new indicator I found. I think I might work with your strategy. We'll let you know. Roger that. Roger that, my friend. Man, where's Dylan at? Dylan, where you at, Brent? Dang, NQ ain't coming back. Quit playing games with my heart. Quit playing games with my heart. With my heart. I should have known from the start. Life is crazy, huh, guys? Life is crazy. I'll tell you what I am looking forward to, which is just not doing anything. On the weekends, I really try my best to let my brain do nothing, my body do nothing. Obviously, there's chores, and like this week, I'm gonna go to Costco and get some stuff, but that's actually therapeutic to me, going to the store with my wife. She can have at it and get whatever she needs and wants. Last payout I had, I don't know how many days it has green, to be honest. And we have the red here. I don't know when we can request payout, is what I'm trying to say. Oh, let's find out. Profit streak 2. Yeah, that's right, profit streak 2, but I just don't know when my next payout's eligible. Oh well. Okay guys, well it looks like our long won't play out. Gonna take that off the table. There's news in 15 minutes. Oh, bro, you are so right. What a noob thing for me to do. Completely forgot. Consumer sentiment. If we get filled before news, like 5 minutes before, I'll stay in and manage it. If it's less than 5 minutes till news, I won't take it. Yes, yep. I forgot, I literally said that this morning during the stream. See if there's any movies coming out. That's what I like to do on the weekend, you know what I mean? I like to just hit a movie. Iron Lung, I want to watch that. No, it's a YouTuber who made that. Shelter, what is that? Looks like an action movie with Jason Statham. Maybe. I watched Mercy. That was a good movie. Zootopia's fire. And then there's Dracula. Almost 3 hours, bro. No, I'm kidding. Pare, ¿cómo está? Can you check gold one more time? Yeah. On gold, on the 1 hour, I'm looking to short up here if we get up there. And then down to the 5 minute, I'm potentially looking to go long in this 5 minute demand down here. That's it. That's all I'm doing right now. That's all I'm paying attention to. On the 1 hour, prices, this 1 hour candle closes on the 200 EMA in 10 minutes, then it's a good shot that it wants to go long. But we got a few minutes left. That's true. That's a jab. That's a jab, Will, and then a straight right. I've taken a few boxing lessons. I know I don't look like a boxer, not even close, but I love boxing. And I took a few boxing lessons. Like I said, 7:55 or 5 minutes from now, if we get filled just before news, I'll manage it. If it's less than 5 minutes, I ain't getting in. It's a very risky trade, to be honest. And the reason being that I'm taking it is it's such a far supply and prices running up so strong. That I feel that there are sellers here waiting. So I don't have a lot of confluences on this trade, guys, but I'm fine taking the risk on this Express account because I'm up quite a bit and it's whatever, you know. It's Fugazi. Fugazi, Fugazi, it's a wazi, it's a woozy. 7:51. I have a friend that teaches me how to box and I broke the punching bag at least now. One in my school wanted to mess with me after that. No, that's good, bro. That's how you get them. Maybe you pre-cut the bag, and then like sew it up lightly, and then you come in one day, you just hit that thing, but it's already broken. But no, right? That's awesome. I don't doubt that you're a strong dude. I know you sent me some of your weightlifting stuff, so. Boxing is a good thing. Maybe I'll take it up again, but it got expensive. or I should say at the time, something that I wasn't really like into. It wasn't that I couldn't afford it. It's just, no, I was into it. It was that I was really busy and I felt like I couldn't keep up with it. So. Bro, are you kidding me now? Bro, are you kidding me right now? I shouldn't have moved it, bro. We would have been in on this crazy move and I would have just got out. Y'all saw it. Y'all saw it. If I didn't move my entry area, probably would have been filled, but it is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. Bruh, is you kidding me right now? Is you kidding me right now, bro? Is you kidding me right now? I missed out on that, dude. Bro, I literally could watch back, replay, look at my entry, and we would have been filled. Because I knew I had it somewhere down here. I just was getting a little scared. I want to see it tap in there. I think short on gold, they're long manipulating. Potentially. Like I said, I'm looking for longs down here and shorts up here on gold. And Q, I'm looking for shorts up here and longs down here. Bro, dare I take a long in this 5-minute demand? Dare I? Dude, I can't believe we missed out on that, bro. It is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Those are all the sayings of traders. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I should have done this. I could have been made money, and it would have done that. I shoulda, coulda, woulda. That's the danger. Dang it, bro. My gosh. What a beautiful short. It just didn't tap my zone, bro. Sometimes it does that. That's why I lower it sometimes. But I moved it up. I moved it up because I got scared, bro. I got scared. I was like, I'd rather let it tap the box. Dylan in there? Man, Dylan, what are you doing, bro? Three minutes left, everybody. 3 minutes. I haven't been to the gym like 5 years. My old job had me lifting stones, washing and drying and fridges, but I got to get to that. I got let go from that job about a year and a half ago. I want to get back to lifting. I feel you, bro. I feel you. And that's a hard job, bro. You're you're definitely heavy lifting. um, I worked for Ashley's Furniture, so I used to lift couches, mattresses. That's why I didn't have to go to the gym. I'm like lifting and moving furniture in the warehouse all day long. But yeah, I feel you. Same here, bro. I want to get back into it, but just kind of feeling it out. I grew up pretty messed up when it came to food and health, so I'm just kind of feeling it out, you know. But there is a good feeling when you lift. You know, you get that dopamine, and it does feel good. Okay, guys, news about the drop. Let's just see what happens and go from there, huh? Living room, what's up, bro? Good morning, good morning. Doing good, man, doing good. Just trading. Doing the thing, bro, doing the thing. Living room, how are you, bro? Yo, what up, Eric? You still here? Nice, brother. Hey, I'm finished trading for the days, bro, so I thought I'd jump on your live for a bit. Yeah, for sure, man. For sure. Hopefully it was a good trading day for you, man. I'm going to give this long a stab. We had a breaker structure. I mean, we broke high, made a higher high, and so I'm just thinking we're looking for the next lower high to make the new higher high. Yeah, you guys should listen to Eric. Eric just nailed a sick job, so W chat for Eric. Congrats to you, bro. Now he's ready for wifey. He's got the job, he's got the long-term job commitment, you know. He's gonna be flying commercial jets, and then now he just needs wifey. That was great, bro. Caught those longs around 10 minutes into market open. Bro, nice move. Very nice. Yeah, those longs in market open are serious.
Order filled.
Yeah, the news definitely pumped up the contracts, so I'm risking way more than I thought. So we're in a sketchy spot. I grew up being scared of the house I lived in and had some days the only meal I had for my day was lunch and I had school except my dad's, who always made sure we had something to eat. That's awesome, man, that you had a good dad like that take care of you. And that's sad that you only had lunch for like your only meal for the day, bro. It's crazy. You're a survivor, man. A thriver, I should say. Good for you. TD Trades, what's up, man? Yeah, man, not long term stepping stones, but we'll be able to travel freely with my airline in God's time. That's awesome, bro. Happy for you. I'm really happy for you, bro.
Order filled.
We got cooked on that. We had 600 in profit, but I was looking for the next swing high. We didn't get it, so I'm all good with it. Potentially look for one more shot, but on the 1 hour, we definitely are short. The 1 hour closed bearish on NQ. It was a crazy good entry, but it's all good. It's all good. Still might enter in long, depending on how these next 5-minute candles close. And just so you know, living room, I already had winners on the other accounts, so I'm just chilling.
Order filled.
Oh no, 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 no. 10 is too much. 10 contracts is too much.
Order filled. Order filled.
We want to see the 5-minute close on this 13 EMA for us to be good long, but we're struggling. Trying to decide what to do here. Seeing if it breaks below.
Order filled.
Oh man, that was rough. That was rough, not gonna lie. Could have broke even, but faked me out. So shorts are definitely back in, are in. That was rough. That was rough. That was rough. I need to take a second. I was up. I could have been up $200, but my take profit is that 5-minute supply above, and we got 1 minute left. definitely trying to hold this area. I gotta give it one more shot. Seven, six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're breaking lower. What I'm gonna do is flip my bias.
Order rejected.
I'm gonna flip my bias short if the candle flushes.
Order filled.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Order filled.
I'm on tilt. I gotta be done for the day. Yeah, I'm done for the day, guys. I'm gonna get out of here before I really blow the account. I know I can make it back. I'm not that mad about it, but that was frustrating. That was pretty frustrating. Longs, bro. Longs. All right, I'm out of here, guys. I'm gonna get the rest of the day started. Stay safe out there. I'm gonna end the day and maybe take another trade, but right now I'm just gonna chill and just see what happens. Join the Discord, hit the like button. We're green on the other accounts. It's just this last Express account that I'll just work on later. But it's already almost 9 o'clock my time, and I have a meeting to get to at 9, so I have 30 minutes or so. Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate it. A little frustrated, but it's all good. I'll see you guys Monday. Peace.